Stop sharing your YouTube channel everywhere. Not because sharing is bad, but because the wrong kind of sharing can quietly destroy your growth. Most beginners think the more people I send my link to, the faster I grow. No. But in reality, you might be feeding your channel the worst possible audience. Let's break this down step by step. YouTube doesn't care about your effort, study behavior. YouTube is powered by one simple goal: keep people watching for as long as possible. So every time someone sees your video, YouTube tracks. Did they click? How long did they watch? Did they like or comment? Did they leave quickly? Now here is the fact. Watch time and retention are among the strongest ranking signals on YouTube. If people leave your video in the first 10 to 30 seconds, YouTube assumes this video is not satisfying. And once that happens, your video stops getting recommended. Number two, sharing to the wrong people kills your retention. Let's be honest here. When you send your video to family group chats, friends that are not interested, random WhatsApp or Telegram groups, what usually happens? They click out of pity, they watch for a few seconds, then they leave. Now here's the problem. That behavior is worse than no views at all, because your average view duration drops, your audience retention drops. Example, if your video is 10 minutes long and most people watch only 1 minute, that's just 10% retention, very low. YouTube prefers videos with 40%, 60% retention or higher. CTR means the percentage of people who see your video and actually click. When you share your link everywhere, many people see it, but very few click. That leads to low CTR. Typical numbers: good CTR 5 to 10%, poor CTR below 3%. When your CTR is low, YouTube thinks people are not interested in this video, and it reduces your reach. YouTube works like this. It tests your video with a small group of people. If they respond well, it shows it to more similar people. But when you share your video randomly, you bring in different ages, different interests, different location, and YouTube gets confused. Who exactly should I recommend this to? And when YouTube is confused, you stop pushing your content. This is the fact many creators ignore. The first 1 to 2 days after posting are critical. During this time, YouTube is testing your video. It looks out to CTR, watch time, engagement. If your shared audience perform badly, your video gets labeled as low quality. And even if your content is actually good, it may never recover. Every view is data. Let me say that again. Every single view teaches YouTube something about your channel. So if your viewers click and leave, don't engage, don't care, you are training YouTube to believe this content is not worth recommending. But if your viewers watch longer, like and comment, stay till the end, you are telling YouTube, push this to more people. Here's another important fact. YouTube prefers traffic that comes from inside the platform. This includes homepage, suggested videos, search. Why? Because these viewers are already in a watching mindset. But external traffic for WhatsApp, etc. often lead to quick exit, low engagement, and YouTube values that less. Yes, sharing can give you 100 views, 200 views. But ask yourself, are these people subscribing? Are they coming back? Are they watching the next video? If the answer is no, then those views are empty. Real growth comes from returning viewers, trusted audience, consistent watch time. So what should you do instead? Now let's fix it. Instead of focusing views, build organic growth. Focus on 1, strong titles. Make people curious. 2, attractive thumbnails. 3, good hook, first 10 seconds. Don't let people leave early. 4, valuable content. Keep people watching to the end. 5, proper SEO. Use the right keywords people are searching for. When is sharing actually okay? Sharing is not completely bad, but it must be targeted. Good places to share, niche communities, forums related to your topic, people who are actually interested, not random groups. Uninterested friends, first views, no. This is important. You don't grow on YouTube by pushing your content. You grow by making content people want to watch. So instead of asking, who can I send this video to? Start asking, will a stranger click this? Will they watch it at the end? Because that is how the algorithm works. Sharing your YouTube channel blindly is like feeding your channel junk data. And junk data leads to low retention, low CTR, poor recommendations. But when you let YouTube find the right audience, that is when your growth begins. If you understand this and apply it, you won't just get views. You will build a channel that will actually grow. Thanks for watching. See you in the next episode.